With the rise of digital finance, money transfer apps have revolutionized the way we send and receive money, making transactions faster, easier, and more convenient than ever before. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, sending money to family overseas, or making online purchases, there's a money transfer app to suit your needs. With the likes of some very popular apps like Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay, and many others, it's up to you to choose which one favors you more. Are you one of the few people that are looking forward to linking your Cash App account to your Apple Pay account? This video will guide you on how to link Cash App and Apple Pay to ease transactions between them. The first thing you should know is that Cash App cannot be integrated directly with Apple Pay. And to link both of them, you need to use your Cash Card. That is, your Cash App card is used to link both your Cash App account and your Apple Pay account. So the first thing to do is to apply and get your Cash Card. And once you have your Cash Card, then you follow these steps that proceed. On your iPhone, open the Apple Wallet app. Then tap on Add Card. 2. Select Credit or Debit Card to add your Cash Card. 3. Scan or enter card details. You can either scan your Cash Card using your camera or manually enter the card information. Once this is done, you have to verify the card and then wait for confirmation that your card was accepted. Generally, the card is usually accepted and linked with Apple Pay. Well, this is how straightforward this process is. And if you want to get a more detailed explanation, then you can check out in our written article, with the link found in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. And if it was helpful to you, don't hesitate to follow us with a like, share, and subscription to our channel.